आता खबरो विस्तारान। मंगळारा वेंचणूक आयुक्ता वांगडा सर्वपक्षीय फुडाऱ्यांची बसका जाली। जे पोस्टल मतदान जाला ते रद्द करून एकाच दिसा सगळ्या सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांचे ईव्हीएम मशीना मार्फत मतदान घेवचे अशी सुचोवणी राजकीय फुडाऱ्यांनी केल्या। आरडी स्कोआ खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
The very important issue for which this meeting was called, all political parties meeting, it is a fallout of the representation which we made to Delhi Election Commission, and that's the reason this emergency meeting or immediate meeting was called. I made a suggestion. It is ultimately there is no point in discussion. It is a post-mortem sort of it. For a posterity and for to improve the propriety of the apex body, premier body, which is Election Commission of India, we set a suggestion. In future, even now, right now, there is a breathing time. 11th will be the counting will take place. All the postal votes which have been casted now and which are in the drop box or which are in their custody should be discarded. Let all the gone electorate which casted vote on 4th of this month, that through EVMs, similarly a day could be fixed where all 17,000 odd votes they could cast with the 40 constituency ballot, and one day that exercise can be taken and these votes should be counted as of all these employees. This was a suggestion.
This was just a suggestion, no decision.
No, this is a because we don't have, because ultimately don't have power. They have to policy decision with the Election Commission of India.
आता पोस्टल बॅलेटाचे जी बॅलेट पेपर असतात हे गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंटाक 4 तारीख कट ऑफ डेट आशिल्ली ऑन द डे ऑफ वोटिंग. ताच्या नंतर ते दिवंक जायना. इट शुड बी डिस्पॅच बिफोर 4th. There are cases, many of such cases. We have brought it to the notice of the CEO right now. ताणे म्हणले की there was a long discussion on this and he said that it is a very serious offense. म्हणल्यार लिपोन पोस्टल बॅलेट लिपोन दवरले भितर.
नाही बीजेपीचो आमी स्टँड पयलींच क्लियर केला पळय. हें कितें जालें, हे सगळे इशू कित्याक जालो? बिकॉज ऑफ यूपी इलेक्शनचे फेज वायज फुडें गेले म्हणून इशू तयार जालो. आमी तेंचें म्हणणें तशेंच आसा न्ही, की कारण तेंच्या हातून कशें आसा की नॉर्मली समजा 2 दिसां भितर जर हो कावंटींग जालें जाल्यार हो इशू वचत नासलो न्ही. हो इशू क्रिएट जालो बिकॉज कावंटींग डिले जालें न्ही. सो सगळ्यांनी सजेशन तेंच्यांनी दिल्लें की इन फ्युचर अशें जावचें न्ही, शॉर्ट टर्मा भितर तो जावं जाय. दीस इज अ प्रोसिजर. पण आतां प्रोसिजर जो आसा दॅट यू कॅनॉट चेंज दॅट प्रोसिजर न्ही रे. इज ऑलरेडी नोटिफिकेशन जातकच तूं कोर्टान जरी गेलो जाल्यार कांय करपाक जायना न्ही. जाला कशें ना तूं सुरवातीक तांकां दिसतालें की आमी जिखून येता. आतां जसो जसो कावंटींग लागीं आयला तांकां ती भंय दिसपाक लागलो म्हणून चड ऑब्जेक्शनां येवपाक लागले अशें आमी म्हणटात न्ही. प्रश्न तो ना न्ही. जेणे सिक्रेट जी वोटींग हाचेर पोस्टल बॅलेट केली आमी रुलींग आसा म्हणून आमकां फायदो आसा अशें तेंचो आरोप आसतलोच न्ही.